To change the temperature reading of your higher air conditioner from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius, there are basically two ways to go about it. Now for the first method, you want to get your higher AC remote control, and if you have the extra function button just over here, you want to go ahead and continuously tap on it until it gets to Fahrenheit. So tap on it one, tap on it again, and then again, and now you can see that it is now set to Fahrenheit. But you're also going to notice that the Fahrenheit is actually blinking, so you want to go ahead and tap on the confirm button immediately to set it to Fahrenheit. Now on the other hand, if you want to go ahead and set it back to Celsius, it is quite simple. Just redo the whole process. You want to tap on the extra function button continuously until it gets to Celsius. If yours does not get to Celsius immediately, you want to make sure you just continuously tap on the extra function button until it gets to Celsius and the Celsius icon is actually blinking like this. Then you can tap on confirm to set it back to Celsius. But if all of this does not work out for you, another method you can try is to simply just long press on the temperature up and the temperature down button. Press and hold both buttons for about 3 to 5 seconds and it should automatically go into Fahrenheit. And then if you want to redo it, you want to press on the temperature up and temperature down button again and it should automatically go back to Celsius. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.